Alright, picture this. The vast beauty of America, but not as you've ever seen it before. Think rolling mountains, shimmering lakes, and endless roads, all brought to life in colorful claymation. Trust me, this is a journey you don't want to miss. So, let's hit the road. First stop, the Pacific Northwest. Imagine the iconic Mount Rainier, its snow-capped peak gleaming, rising above pine forests sculpted from clay. There's a gentle breeze, okay, maybe just the flicker of stop motion, but you can almost feel the cool air. Then, glide down to Oregon's Crater Lake, where deep blue waters ripple and sparkle, clay waves lapping at a miniature shore. It's like a painting you can step into. Next, let's cruise down the California coast. Big Sur's dramatic cliffs and winding roads stretch out below, each twist and turn crafted from vibrant clay. Picture the sun dipping into the Pacific, casting golden light over tiny hand-rolled waves. I promise, this is as soothing as it gets, but America's wonders don't end at the shore. Head inland and you'll find the surreal landscapes of Utah. Picture Arches National Park, those massive red rock arches sculpted with loving detail, set against a sky that shifts from pink to purple with every passing clay cloud. If you listen closely, you might even hear the quiet hush of wind echoing through those tiny canyons. Now let's venture off the beaten path. Hidden in the heart of the Midwest, there's a secret sunflower field in Kansas. Yes, in clay too. Sunflowers nodding gently, their yellow petals bright against endless green. Sometimes the simplest places feel the most magical. Of course, no road trip is complete without a little mystery. So, here's a hidden gem, the Blue Ridge Parkway. Winding through the Appalachian Mountains, this drive is a patchwork of rolling hills and misty valleys, each one lovingly shaped in our clay world. Imagine the trees turning fiery red and orange in the fall, the whole scene bursting with color and life. And who could forget the magic of the Southwest? Picture the wave-like rock formations of Arizona's Antelope Canyon, carved by centuries of wind and water, now transformed into undulating stripes of orange and red clay. Every turn reveals something new, hidden, and breathtaking. Finally, let's end where the journey began, underneath a vast, star-studded sky in Montana's Big Sky country. Here, the mountains rise in soft, rolling shapes, rivers wind lazily, and the stars twinkle like pinpricks of silver clay. You can almost feel the peace settling in. So if you're craving adventure and a fresh perspective, remember, America's scenic wonders are even more incredible when you see them through a new lens, or in this case, a little bit of clay. Thanks for exploring with me. Until next time, keep wandering.